that I found if you want reliable test code is just re-ask it, ask for the code, and then say something's wrong, and then take whatever response comes back out of that. It can save you a lot of debugging time. If you ask for JSON, you don't usually want to parse random natural language responses from chatbots. So you try to tell it to respond in JSON or some other format and then parse it. But there's some problems with that. Like a lot of the code, a lot of the prompting effort that I know I spent on getting automation to work is around formatting that response. So making sure that the JSON that's returned is valid JSON and that it only returns JSON. Still have to go in with regex and remove delimiters often. You still have to go in and remove delimiters a lot. He'll say, here's the JSON, or it will say, here's the JSON you requested, colon, and then blah, there's your JSON, but it's hard to parse from a machine perspective. So a lot of the code is still fighting the formatting of the response and the parsing of it, which can be very frustrating. A trick, I have a little JSON, I should probably maybe open source that, but I have a little Python utility that like tries to parse it, removes the regexes that are all the standard kind of ones that are come back. It also does some smart stuff, like uses AI to try to parse the JSON. So you just say, hey, this JSON's invalid, colon, quote, and then give it whatever it is, and then say, please fix it. And it does a pretty good job of fixing it up. So you have the AI actually try to fix up the JSON, but it can be expensive in terms of tokens and time. But that works kind of reliably. So I have, there's problems with this. But I have this cascade of exception handlers